Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi, this is Preetha and you're watching Dakshin curry. If you look at the regions of India, you will find various ways of making a fish curry. Today we'll be using tamarind to make a popular Andhra style fish curry. To know how to make it, stay tuned. So the first step is going to be preparing a paste. So I'll be dry roasting some ingredients. I'll be adding sesame seeds. Now I'm adding white sesame seeds. If you want, you can add black also. And we'll allow this to crackle. Along with this, I'm also going to add very little fenugreek seeds. As you can see, that color has changed a bit, and at this stage I'm going to add some freshly grated coconut. This is around 1/4 cup. So let's roast this till the coconut turns pale brown. And at this stage I'm going to transfer this into a bowl and we'll allow this to cool down. Nice. Now in the same pan I'll be adding shallots. Now this is around 1/2 cup of shallots. I'll be adding some garlic, and now we are going to dry roast this till it gets nice and charred. So now that this is done, and I'm going to add it to the coconut, and we'll allow this to cool down completely, and then I'm going to get it ground to a paste. So our mixture had cooled down and I've already got it ground into a paste, and this is how it looks. Now that this is already ready, I have a pan here which is already heating up. So let's start. I'm going to add oil. So once the oil is hot, we'll add mustard seeds and we'll allow this to crackle. In goes some cumin seeds. Along with that, some ginger, a little bit of chillies. Now I'm going to add my favorite ingredient, curry leaves. In goes the paste. So along with this, I'm going to add a little bit of turmeric, chilli powder, coriander seed powder, cumin seed powder, and we are going to cook this till the mixture turns dry. Now you can see that the mixture has become nice and dry. At this stage I am going to add tamarind paste. So now this is a gooseberry sized tamarind which has been dissolved in water. So I am going to add water to this. I am going to mix this up. So as you can see, there's a nice layer of oil floating on top. At this stage we'll be adding the fish. I'm using surmai here. Now I have not pan fried the fish. So last but not the least, the seasoning, which is going to get the flavors out. Add the seasoning. And now we are going to gently mix this. Like I said, we don't want to disturb the fish too much. Cover and cook this gravy on a medium to low flame for 8 to 10 minutes. So let's have a look at our curry. Wow. Now to end, again I'm going to add some curry leaves, a little bit of coriander, and we'll mix this up. So the fish curry is ready, and my teammates have just prepared some steamed rice. So we are going to go and enjoy this. And if you have liked watching this video, you know what to do. Like and share the recipe, and of course don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network.